What in the Quran tells you some other legal systems, such as the UK's law, civil or criminal,
Christian country, yeah? Say Christian country.
is permissible for you above and beyond Sharia. Where in the Quran do you get the idea? Clearly, Sharia is what is advised.
Sharia is what we try to follow.
Ah, good.
Brother, that's what everybody's
Good. Did you hear that, my friend? Please don't come near me. You're touching me. You're coming near me. Don't come. If you're desperate for a loo break, please go somewhere else, not here. Now, can you see the desperation, my dear friends? So you agree? Even in the UK, Sharia is what we need. You agree?
I need to. So you're saying because you do understand not drinking alcohol is Sharia?
No,
Right?
no, forget about alcohol. No, no,
That's
no.
Sharia.
Excuse me, sir.
That's Sharia, sir.
No, no,
Is that
no, no.
part of Sharia?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
You know why you don't want to read?
Do you-
Because
look.
I'm sure that he doesn't know nothing about.
No, him is confused. Don't listen to him. Please, please.
They tell us it's a
If
Christian
you
country.
if you
read
listen
it
to
for him.
if
It's a
you
Christian country. Read this for him.
if you listen to him,
What Allah
shut
has
all the
revealed
media.
in the gospel.
yeah, where does it
You
say?
don't understand what you.
Where does it say?
Read all over from brother.
No, no, don't shout, don't shout. Don't be angry, don't shout. If you please give me my space, please give me my space.
What is Sharia?
No, no,
Brother,
once.
what is Sharia?
Brother.
Sharia is all of
Just read
the.
this. He doesn't know what
Excuse
Sharia.
me.
He can't even explain to you.
Excuse me. Are you going to listen?
I'm
Is he going to let you
Read from
answer,
brother, read from
or
there.
does he think you are a fool?
You want to answer by read some.
Do you think he is a fool? Can he answer? Can he answer? Yeah, if you please quieten and go behind. If you stand in the queue, thank you very much. Yeah, please.
Let him talk.
Yeah.
bro,
So
About
far,
asking what is the Sharia, sir?
one second. So far, we agreed.
What is the Sharia?
So far,
We haven't agreed.
one second. So far, we read Surah 4, Ayah 59. Surah 4, Ayah 59 is clear that you as a Muslim have to follow the
What
Sharia
is Sharia?
administered by Muslims
And what is Sharia?
wherever you live.
What is Sharia?
The entire Islamic jurisprudence is Sharia.
So like no alcohol, no pork. Respect your parents.
So in other words, okay, let me ask you a simple question. Wait, wow, excuse me. Excuse me. Are you saying I don't drink alcohol?
Yeah.
I don't.
So you're following
Oh,
the Sharia.
wait, excuse me. Wait a second. I don't drink alcohol.
As you shouldn't.
Okay. Can I finish?
Okay, go ahead.
Because of my preference, I don't drink alcohol. Are you saying I follow all of Sharia?
Of course that you don't follow all of Sharia.
So don't talk about alcohol. I am talking about all of Sharia.
Sharia?
Is Sharia, excuse me, sir. Yeah, listen to me. You asked me
You're not
this.
letting me talk.
Okay. You asked. Okay.
on,
What?
everyone can
Ask
see
me.
that here.
Ask me.
I said I'm asking you what is Sharia according to you?
Sure. Listen to what the gentleman is asking, and I'm going to respond again. And according to, I'm sure he'll agree with the response. And I would like him to stick to the definition as we would agree soon through the rest of the conversation. What is the question he's asking? He's asking what is Sharia? Sharia is all of Islamic jurisprudence, not one little portion. Don't wear sandals, clean your bummy, not one little part here, one little part there, but everything put together. If you follow all of it, you have Sharia. If you don't follow all of it, you do not have Sharia. Do we agree?
No. Hold on, no.
Do we agree?
If we don't follow the Sharia, then we're not. Sorry, I didn't get that.
Yeah, he's not listening. Again,
No,
please
I'm
listen to me.
listening.
I'm not. He complains later.
Sir,
I
you
mentioned
have
this
to-
already. One second.
Everyone's right here, man.
Everyone is here. You are the only one. Please listen. I'm making this point the third time right now. The third time, my dear friends. What is Sharia that you are supposed to
Islamic
follow?
jurisprudence.
Listen to me. What is Sharia that you are supposed to follow according to Surah 4, Ayah 59 and Ayah 65? What is the Sharia that you are supposed to follow? All of Islamic jurisprudence administered by your Islamic clergy. That is what Sharia is. Even if I take all of your jurisprudence and I administer that as a Christian, you won't agree, you won't like. What is Sharia? All of Islamic jurisprudence
Can you give examples?
administered by Islamic clergy.
you give
Do we
examples?
agree or
Can you
not?
give examples of
No,
this
no,
that
no,
you're
no, no,
talking
no. Do we agree or not?
Do you
Are you scared?
Are you scared?
Okay.
Can you give
Is
examples?
there any Muslim who disagrees? Is there any Muslim who disagrees with my definition of Sharia?
I disagree with it.
Please let me know. What is Sharia then?
Bro, one second. Sharia by itself just mean law. That's all
It's
it
a
mean.
law.
Yeah.
That's all it means.
Yeah, I understand. But clearly UK law isn't Sharia. What is Islamic Sharia?
No, you're correct when you say Islamic Sharia. Islamic Sharia is Islamic law that revealed by Allah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
What is Islamic law? Please now go on.
Islamic law is a commandment, whatever revealed by Allah to the
You see, whatever, i.e. all of it.
are you listening?
Is that all of
Are
it
you- are you listening?
or some of
Are you
it?
talking? Are you gonna listen? Let me
Look,
finish.
I have listened for too long,
Because-
rambling on too long.
Cold feet, I can't
So
do
listen
that.
to me.
Cold
Is Sharia all of the Islamic law
telling us to
or
go
some of the Islamic law?
Just get to it. Are you telling us to go home if there's no Sharia in the UK? Is that what you're
I
trying
am
to
not
say?
saying anything, my dear friends. I am asking you to leave Islam. That's what I'm going to ask you as my fellow human beings, as my precious fellow human beings. One second, let me finish. I am a Christian. My precious Lord asks me, commands me even to love whoever considers themselves even to be my enemies.
Lie.
That's how wonderful
Lie.
my Jesus Christ is.
Lie.
Islam, on the other hand, is so horrible, and that is why, I am even bringing up this point here. So let me ask you again: do we agree? It's very, excuse me, sir. One second. It's very easy to It's very easy to quickly agree that the Islamic Sharia. What is the Islamic Sharia? One second. What is the Islamic Sharia? Surah 4. One second.
That's not what you showed me.
Surah 4, Ayah 59. What does it say?
We're not on difference all the time. Tell him what his religion is.
What does 59 say?
Sharia then?
No. What does it say?
Does it say Sharia?
Okay.
It
Can you
doesn't.
read? What does it say?
It says, "Oh, you have believed, obey Allah and obey the messenger and those in authority among you."
Yeah, you see, obey Allah and obey the messenger and those in authority among you.
So I respect my
So-
mother. So I don't drink alcohol. So I don't eat pork. So I try to eat good foods. So I try to be nice to people. I try to give sadaqah, which is charity. I try to every year give 2.5% of my wealth to those who need
Try to
it.
put things there that's not there.
What else?
Is
I try
that
to go to
all-
Hajj if it's possible.
all of Sharia or not?
Of course, that's not all of Sharia. There's so much.
Okay, let me ask you a simple question. My dear friend, because you're too confused, let me try and bring someone else. Louis is a wonderful man. He's a neutral man. Let me ask you, Louis, when you hear the word, please listen. No, he is a wonderful man. He's not a Muslim. No, he's not. He's a journalist. He's a neutral journalist. Louis, what is the UK law? Is it a portion of it or all of it?
The UK law is the UK law.
The entirety of it. If you just take a little portion of it, it's not called the UK law anymore.
This is stupid.
It isn't. If you say, look, I'm following the UK law just because I clean up my body every day, that isn't clearly UK law.
If I follow part of it, I don't follow all of it.
These guys know where the conclusion would take them to, and they're terrified. The very simple point is, the Quran says, the conclusion is,
Nonsense.
okay, the conclusion is simple.
He's not asking himself.
You are not a Muslim until you have Sharia. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't be on my face.
Don't push
Don't be
me.
on my face.
You are the one who is in my face.
I know, but I know do
If
that.
you want a
I'm just
loo
telling
break,
like a man.
stay
You know
away.
me, you know.
If you're too confused,
Don't
take
be
your
on my
pills.
face. You listen,
Speak to your adults.
Every time you on my face, I'm
Speak
fine
to
in
your
my face.
handlers.
You understand? That's
You're
what I
in
do.
my personal space.
See, you don't like that.
You are harassing
You
me
were
right
just doing
now
that a while ago. Don't
because
put
you
your
were
hand- I'm
there.
telling you,
You
like a
are
man.
coming into my
I'm
space.
telling you like a man. I was right there.
You
put your hand in my
have
face.
come
Don't
into
put
my space.
I was standing there.
I have moved
And you
away
keep
from you
putting your hand in my
multiple
face like
times.
this.
I am harassed right now by
I
you.
don't care about people. I'm not telling you like this.
I am
I was
harassed
standing
by
there.
you right now.
Don't put your hand in my face.
I am
and-
harassed by you right
When you put it in my
now.
face, I tell you, don't do
I'm
it.
harassed by you right
call the
now.
police like a chicken.
You are legally against.
You are wrong to put your hand in my face. I'm
You are
telling you, don't do
harassing
that
me
again.
right now.
I'm telling you, don't put your hand in my face again next
You are
time.
harassing me
I'm
right
telling
now.
you,
I'm
don't put your
asking
hand in my
you.
face.
nicely
asking you
to
nicely.
move away from
Don't
my
put your hand
personal
in
space
in my face
because you moved into my
I
personal
wasn't there, but
space.
your hand was in my face.
You moved
keep
away.
putting it in my face like-
You
I'm
are
telling you,
following
don't
me like a chicken.
I was-
Stay
No.
away.
You know me, bro.
Stay.
Nothing is
Yeah, I know you as a violent man. You are kicking our private property. You are kicking the private property. Stay away.
I'm telling you, don't put your hand in your
I've
face next
already
time.
moved away from you
Don't put your hand in-
multiple
Don't put
times.
your hand in my face next time.
Stay away.
Do you hear me? Are we clear?
Stay
Are we
away.
clear in due
You are into my personal space.
No, you don't like
You
hand in
are
the face,
harassing me.
Just like he did a while ago, just like he did. Just like he did. Just like typical.
unstable
Come on, chicken.
Muslim.
Come on, chicken.
Stay away. A typical unstable
Same
Muslim.
thing you did.
Stay
You said,
away.
don't put your hand in my face.
Stay
I'm warning
away.
you. If you put your hand in my
Stay
face, you get the same
away.
treatment.
Stay
Same
away.
treatment you get.
Excuse me, sir.
Same
You
treatment you
might
get.
be mentally ill. I am harassed by you.
You've been harassing me.
You
Put your hand
are
in my face.
harassing me.
Don't put your hand in my face.
Stay
I'm warning
away.
you. Clearly, I'm warning you.
I did not
I'm
come
warning
into
you.
my space.
You put
Come into your
you keep
space.
putting your hand in- I'm
Stay
warning you.
away.
I'm warning you.
Stay
You bring the police- you
away.
bring the police
I
around
could
and
not
police.
care less about a lunatic.
I
Stay
don't care, but I'm
away.
telling you.
You are
You
harassing
could,
me.
you could say whatever
You're
you want.
causing me deep
Say whatever you want.
distress
Don't
right
put your
now.
hand in my face.
Stay
Put your hand
away.
in my face.
You are causing
Next time you do
deep
that, you're gonna lose that arm.
distress. Stay
Put your hand in my
away.
face. I'm warning you.
Stay
Don't put your hand in my face
away.
next time.
Stay
in my face.
away.
Don't put it in my face.
Stay
Don't put it in my
away.
face. Don't put it in my
You
face.
moved into
Don't put
my
it in my face
personal
next
space.
time. No, I was standing
You're
there.
harassing
And you
me.
going in my face.
Stay
I don't like it. Don't put it in
away.
my face. Do not
You're
put it in my face.
causing deep
Don't put your hand in my
distress.
face.
Stay
Don't put your hand in my
away.
face.
Stay
Don't put your hand in my face.
away.
Don't put your hand in my face.
You're
Move.
causing me
Move.
deep
Way in front of
distress.
me. Move. Way in front of me.
Stay away.
Move. Way in front of me.
You are
Move.
repeatedly
Move.
intimidating me.
Move.
Persistently
Move.
harassing me
Intimidating.
for the
Chicken.
last 20 minutes.
Move.
You're following
Move.
me. You might be a homosexual.
Move. I
You
don't
might
know what
be
he said.
mentally ill.
Don't put it in my
You
face.
might have escaped
Don't
from
put it
an
in my face
asylum.
next time, I'm telling
But
you.
regardless,
Do not put your hand in
your
my face next time.
activity
Simple warning.
is
Simple
now
warning. Don't put your hand in my face.
harassing me.
Simple warning. You put your hand in my face, I put my hand
You
in your
are
face.
harassing me. I am asking you to stay away.
I know what I'm doing.
All right,
You put your hand in my
my
face, I
dear
put my hand
friends.
in your face.
Ah,
Simple.
yeah, yo. Stay away, stay away. Thank you.
I have
All
to
right.
2 for 2.
What did I say so
Bible
far?
teaching.
Yeah, I know.
Bible teaching.
I know you're a
Eye for an
lunatic.
eye, 2 for 2.
Don't touch me.
Don't put your hand in my face next time. I'm
Don't
warning you.
touch me.
Don't put your hand in my
Look,
face next time.
I am not interested.
Don't
I
put your
don't
hand
know
in my
which
face.
lunatic
All right.
asylum you
I'll give
belong
you-
to.
I'll give you-
Not interested. Stay away. Thank you very much.
Give me my back. What are you gonna do?
Sure, thank you very much. I normally run away from a lunatic. If you're a lunatic, I'll move away from a lunatic. Don't come here again. Don't come into my personal space again. It's very simple. You might be a Muslim, go to a masjid, go into your toilet in your masjid and try all your tricks. Don't come to a public place. Don't do that. All right, my dear precious friends, what have I said so far? 2 important things. Number 1, Islam is deeply seditious because of 2 important reasons I've given so far. Reason number 1, Islam demands the entirety of the Islamic law in our nation over and above any law that we have in our nation. This is seditious, especially because the Islamic law contradicts the British law in multiple different ways and endangers the life of Jews and Christians. So my dear friends, reason number 1 that Islamic seditious is because of the parallel judiciary. Reason number 2 for Islam being seditious is the parallel standing army. How many of you, my dear friends, understand that of course in the UK, apart from our British army and any other allies that we might host through an agreement, we also have a standing Islamic army formed by all able-bodied Muslim men who can think and plan and strategize properly. Where do we find this idea? If you are a Muslim, please come and contradict me, challenge me.
My friends,
One second.
believe what they like. Everybody is free.
Where do we find that Islam has a standing army, parallel standing army in the UK? Well, let me read to you. Surah 4, Ayah 95 and Surah 4, Ayah 98. Surah 4, Surah An-Nisa, Ayah 95 and 98. Ayahs 95 and 98. What do they say? Surah 4, Ayah 94.
Well done on that Mein Kampf book. It's brilliant.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Surah 4, Ayah 94. This is how it begins. O you who have believed, i.e. Muslims. O you who have believed, i.e. Muslims. When you go forth in the cause of Allah, investigate and do not say to one who gives you peace, you are not a believer. And then it talks about fighting. Surah 4, Ayah 95. Not equal are those believers remaining other than the disabled and the mujahideen in the cause of Allah with their wealth and their lives. My dear friends, Islam is clear that according to Islam, there is no one who is equal to those who are the mujahideen. Mujahideen, unless of course for the simple excuse that you are disabled. So, not equal are those believers remaining other than the disabled and the mujahideen in the cause of Allah with their wealth and their lives. Allah has preferred the mujahideen through their wealth and their lives over those who remain. So what does Allah prefer? Those who are the mujahideens, those who are the fighters. There is only one other excuse apart from fighting. If you are not going to fight, there is only one excuse specified here, and that is if you are disabled. If you are disabled. So every able-bodied Muslim is a fighter, including all those who live in our nation today. And so, my dear friends, let me make this clear. The point is very clear. Today, we have a standing Islamic army in our nation. And our nation is sleeping, not knowing the fact that we have a force competing with the British Army and its allies. It's a very dangerous place to be in. Absolutely dangerous place to be in. I am a Christian. With Jesus Christ, I don't find these nasty, sinister ideas. You can be a Christian and you can live in any nation, because all of Christianity is about spiritual reality and helping others understand who truly God is. And you would like to think that Islam is something similar, but in reality, Islam is not. Like I said, Surah 4, Ayah 95 is clear that the best Muslims are those who are going to fight for Islam. Fight for Islam. So all those aspiring Muslims in our nation are preparing to fight at the opportune time. So no wonder you have people leaving our nation in the middle of their medical studies when Islamic State showed up. When there was an opportunity to go and become terrorists, Jihadi John and his entire entourage left. Shamima Begum left. Many others left. Why? Because according to Islam, you are a good Muslim if you are going to fight for the Islamic Allah. Are you a Muslim, sir? If you are a Muslim, are you a Muslim, sir? Are you a Muslim, sir? If you are a Muslim who would like to, are you a Muslim? Come again. Are you a Muslim? Are you a Muslim? Yourself. You are a Muslim, yeah? Confused, very confused. Very confused. Must be a Muslim. Despite me asking the same question, confused for such a long time. What did I say earlier? Islam needs to, practicing Islam for a considerable period of time will lead to deep mental issues. Deep mental issues. Are you a Muslim, sir? You are. Please come here.
I won't argue with you.
Why not?
Because you don't let people speak.
Please come here. Why are you scared already?
I'm not scared of you. You speak over people and then you think you have the answer. That's
Sure. Please now tell me, do you agree
I'm not gonna
that
argue with
you are
I'm not gonna argue
a
with
fighting mujahideen for Islam? Do you agree?
you. I'm not gonna argue with you.
So, would you agree? Would you agree that in Islam you're supposed to be a part of the standing army?
I don't think you heard me clearly. I'm not arguing with you.
Sure. You're deeply distressed already. You're troubled because you know Islam will put you in prison rather soon. If you speak out Islam in truth, you will be in prison. You know it. You know it, and therefore you don't want to do it. At least you're a bit sensible. That's good. That's good. This gentleman isn't even sensible. My Jesus Christ is precious. With my Jesus Christ, I learn marvelous qualities. Learning to love others. Look at this young man. He looks like a very young man, but he's already deeply, thoroughly confused. Can you? Yeah, because he's a Muslim. He's going. What's that? It's a lady, man. It's a lady?
Huh?
No, boy. Boy. A young boy, a man. So, why is he roaming around? He is a kid. But why is he roaming around shouting at Christians?
Because they're wrong.
What level of instability will make him do it? Well, clearly he has been in the wrong company.
About Islam. You're doing the
He
same
has
about
been in
Islam.
the wrong company for a few years already. And you can see that in his life. Would you see a Christian young man do something similar?
Yes.
Where?
I will.
Find one.
Yes.
Find one.
Hold on, brother.
Please come here. Tell me, name the one Christian terrorist who is a deep devotee of Jesus Christ. Please come here.
Hey, let me.
Please come.
Guy in New Zealand.
The guy in New Zealand. Please come here. Please come.
Can I ask you something?
Please come. No.
Why?
You're a boy. We need to safeguard you despite your mental ailments. Please come
Can I ask you
here.
something?
Let him speak.
So you want a boy to speak.
Yeah, you don't want him to speak.
So now, my dear friends, do you see what Hamas is doing?
Do you see what you're doing?
What does Hamas do? Put children on fire and stay behind securely. He wants a boy, a young man to speak. Are you an adult,
You know
sir?
what? It's good that I should speak because then
No.
all the little other kids will come and speak.
He's allowed to speak. This is a free country.
Yeah. If only children are going to speak for Islam, it's a pathetic situation. So, my dear friends, sedition is a big issue with Islam. With Jesus Christ, we don't have this issue. You can be a Christian and you can live in any nation. Because what does my precious Lord Jesus Christ say? Honor, respect those who rule over you, authorities. In the book of Romans, we are told all those who are trying to bring us peace, to help us live a peaceable life, we are supposed to respect. We are supposed to live for others. So as a Christian, I can go live in any nation and I will be perfectly compliant as long as the rulers are trying to give me peace, give everyone peace. But as a Muslim, you cannot do it.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Bring an adult, please bring your adult. Let's have a
You
conversation.
can do that. As a Muslim, you can live in any nation you want.
Yeah, please keep the mask on, sir, please. Are you Muslim, sir? No, not. Good. Praise the Lord. Any Muslims?
Me.
Any more? No, not children. Adults. Any Muslim adults?
I'm 18 years old. Please.
You're doing taqiyya right
Can I
now.
talk something?
Look, you look like an 8-year-old. Telling me you're 18. No takia with me. No takia.
Huh?
No takia with me.
Takia?
Takia, lying. Lying. Islamic lying, not with me. Please bring an adult. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? Hello, my dear grown-up Muslim man. Please come here. Hello, my dear grown-up Muslim man. Please come here. You're Muslim, sir. Please come here. Please come and explain.
Don't touch me, don't.
Trust, he knows. He knows you need to stay away from Christians. He knows it.
Saving your life if you don't go with this madness.
Any Muslim who is willing to engage in a sensible manner. Okay.
Right here.
All right. Children, we need to say, I am a Christian. You know, even if you come and kick me, I will protect you, okay? Because I am a Christian. But don't expect the same from Muslims. If you swear about Allah, they'll kick you. They'll put you in the bin. You know, mention something bad about Muhammad. Yes. Try this. When you go home, try saying something negative about Muhammad to you, even your family. See what they do.
And what they'll do, basically, I'll have to read the Quran because that's important.
Look at him. How old do you think he is? How old do you think he is?
Well, do you want me to be rude to people now?
No, him. How old do you think he is? He looks like a 60-year-old, doesn't he? But so terrified that he won't come here. All right, dear friends, is there a Muslim who wants to have a sensible conversation as opposed to showing a board from... Are you Muslim, sir? Please come. Are you visiting the UK or are you based in the UK? Yeah. No. Muslim, sir? Are you a Muslim, sir? You're not. Praise the Lord. That's good. Orlando, good to see you. Any Muslims? Any Muslims who want to come away from your slumber? Not you. You are a child. I'm telling you multiple times.
He's discriminating.
Any Muslim who is willing to have a brave conversation. Look, you should feel sorry about yourself that you can't, despite your age, can't stand up here and engage in a sensible argument. You should really feel sorry for you. Please come here again.
Have a discourse between both of you.
Please come.
The boy's better testify. You testify. He's better than he's more clever than him.
I'm very well promised.
Please come. So what do you want to explain? Please come. Come.
Tell him that I can.
So Sharia. So we decided Sharia is all of it. From there, where do we go?
Well, like I said, I believe that Muslims can definitely be a great Muslim living in the UK.
Where?
Especially, I mean,
Where?
you're born here.
Where?
No,
Show me from the Quran.
That is our belief. That is our paradigm.
No. Show me something from the Quran.
The Quran says Christians, Jews, and Muslims come together to do good.
Where?
The ayah and
Where?
But that ayah,
Yeah, please.
it says come together to do good.
Please.
Okay, I don't know it off the top of my head.
Yeah. I'm looking for this idea that
I don't know what exactly.
use your phone. It's okay.
So you're saying that doesn't exist?
look, as a practicing Muslim, you are not supposed to comply with Christian law. It's simple. It's as simple and as crystal clear as
So
that.
does Islam act the same of the Jews?
Same,
they
yeah.
live.
And that is why Jewish tribes were chased away
So
from.
they can't follow their own scriptures. Jews aren't allowed, under Muslim land, a Jew isn't allowed to follow their own scriptures and their laws that God has given them.
A Jew cannot have, ultimately, for their jurisprudence, their law, over and above Sharia, they can't. They can't. Show me where.
Come on, like that's a
Please,
known
please
thing.
try. Google
no,
search.
No, seriously, that's a known thing. You know
It's not
that.
a known thing.
The
I've
only
read.
thing that they
Where is the Quran? Sorry.
Other people, but
No, it's a known thing. Please show.
the only thing you know that they have to do is pay the jizya.
Right. So what does paying jizya mean?
Paying jizya means pays 2.5%. The same 2.5% Muslims pay every year also.
So what does it mean?
It means pay 2.5% and that money will be going to the poor.
Okay, right, let's read what it means, okay? Surah 9, Ayah 29. What does this mean? Jizya, what does it mean?
It's a tax that is going to go to the poor.
Let's read. Don't be...
But that's what it is, right?
Excuse me, my friend. You don't know the Quran. When I ask for one verse from the Quran, you are struggling already.
struggling.
It's time to learn.
It's time to learn.
Not time to rant on. Please
How much
listen.
is the jizya?
Please listen.
How much is the jizya?
Please listen.
2.5.
Please listen.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. He don't want to do it.
How much
Please
is it?
listen.
How much
One
is it?
second. Please listen. Surah 9, Ayah 29. Please listen. Fight against. Please listen.
I'm listening, bro.
Fight against.
You got to listen too later.
Yeah, sure. Fight. Listen. Fight against those who do not play. My dear friend, even if you listen.
I'm listening, dude.
Yeah, but you're
You got
not
all
looking
these
at me,
cameras.
bro.
You have your crowd.
You're not looking
I'm
at
looking
him.
straight.
Sure.
He wants your attention.
Fight against those who do not believe in Allah or in the last day and do not consider unlawful what Allah and His Messenger have made unlawful and who do not adopt the religion of truth from those who were given the scripture. Look, if they don't comply with Islam, fight. Why should you fight? Fight until they give the jizya willingly while they are humbled. So what is jizya? Jizya is some money. I don't care if it is 2.5% or 20% or 0.2%. The money, the amount doesn't matter. What matters is that it is a payment made because of humiliation. You are humbled
much is
because the. Let me finish.
No, come
you
on, man. You're
wow.
doing a monologue now.
Excuse
I'm
me,
not
sir.
here to stand and do
Okay.
a monologue.
You are humbled. Would you like to be humbled in our nation just because you're not a Christian? Would you like to be humbled and forced to pay 1% tax?
Like Gazans? Or you mean like the Gazans?
Are you
have been
confused?
humbled?
Are you from Gaza?
I'm saying, is that what you're saying? Is
Excuse
the
me, are you
humbling?
confused?
Is that the
Listen,
humbling?
Listen to me.
Kingdom, sir.
Listen to me.
Is
Maybe
that-
you're confused.
Is that the humbling?
Listen to me. The words are clear.
What is the
Maybe
humbling?
don't
What does
turn
humbling
this way.
mean?
Listen.
It's very easy. I think
Listen,
he's
listen.
giving you a good explanation.
Would you in our Christian land, would you like to be humbled?
What does that mean?
Listen, let me
You're the
finish.
expert. Please teach
Let
me.
me finish.
Teach me.
Let me finish.
Let me help him, sir. Forced to
One
submit.
second, one second.
But use,
One
but
second,
use
one-
your
no,
own
one
words.
second.
Is that what's happening
In the
Gaza?
UK, stay focused. The question is clear. It is about the UK. It is about you. Because even when the context is limited, you ramble on. So stay focused
ramble.
in the limited context.
You're rambling.
Would you be willing in the UK, would you personally be willing to pay a marvelously discounted 0.5% tax,
Because I was Muslim.
but at the cost of being, or the cost of your own pride or ego, where we humble you and subjugate you and make you pay a heavily discounted 0.5%. We will fight you until you do that. Will you be happy?
That sounds like what it means to be British. You live here, you get taxed 40-something%, 50%.
You see?
That's already what you have.
I told you, rambling on.
No, I'm from America, so isn't that how America came about? We didn't like the taxes.
Okay.
So to be British in itself is to be humbled,
Okay, sure.
kept
Okay,
down,
maybe you're
and pay
confused.
high
Listen,
taxes.
listen.
Come on, man.
Okay, are you listen. Are you in Britain or in the US, do you pay any tax specific, whether it's 5%, 0.5%, 25%, because you are a Muslim? Do you pay anything like that?
No, I don't pay that.
Lovely. So we treat you equally.
No.
So how do you treat? How are you by your religion not treated equal to a Christian?
Like you don't treat me equally, do you?
Like how?
But you don't treat me. Do you feel like you treat me equally?
You're rambling
Do you
on right now.
Do you see me the same as a fellow Christian?
Yes, of course, and that's why I'm
Equally,
speaking.
seriously.
I'm speaking to you.
Really?
That's my fellow Christian. I'm not even speaking to. To you, I'm speaking to.
Really?
This is
Yes,
how
of
much we
course.
love you.
Wow.
I am a Christian.
Yeah, sure.
I am a Christian. I'm supposed to love you and tell you that you are confused,
Yes.
that you are following a death cult,
Yes.
and it's a murderous death cult. The sooner you leave that, the better.
I appreciate
Because
it.
we
Bro.
love you.
Yeah, I really.
don't
That's
want you to
my
go
in my friendliness.
All right.
But having said that, the point is clear. So you agree that because you are a Muslim, you don't pay even a heavily discounted special tax in humiliation. You don't. But what does the Quran say?
Yeah, it says you need to pay that. I believe that you need
In
to pay
humility. in humiliation, while they are humbled
What is it for? Did you know that?
by as an identification that you are humbled,
No, but what is the 2.5% for? What are they supposed to do
as
with
an
that money?
identification that they are humbled.
No, what do they do with the 2.5%?
I don't care.
How much is zakah for the Muslim?
My dear friend,
Why don't
doesn't
you answer
matter.
the question? Be fair. What is the 2.5%?
What is the price that you would give for your personal freedom, not humiliation, in the UK?
Do they have to live there? Do the Jews have to live there?
Listen to me. Stay focused on one question,
Come on.
because even with one question you're
You
thoroughly
can't-
confused.
Come on, you're known.
Stay
you're known
focused
for this,
on one
man,
question.
YouTube. You're known for this. Come on.
What percent?
You can't answer direct
Listen to me.
questions. Come on, you
What
know that.
price would you pay for being humiliated? What discount would you need when you are going to be humiliated? Would you be happy with 0.5%? Would
What
that
is
be enough?
humiliation? I don't understand what you mean. Are the Jews
You don't
forced to be-
understand
are they
the word
forced to be
humiliation?
slaves?
Sir, you
Are
are
they
not
forced
being-
to
you
be
are not
slaves?
being- you are
By
not being
all
honest.
means,
Are they
no,
forced
you're
to be
rambling
slaves?
on.
You are not being honest with us.
As a
Say
Muslim,
that.
I understand.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure speaking to you as a person, and to you also as a person. Lovely. But
Come on.
But your religion leads to mental ailment, and it's best to leave it as soon as possible.
Christianity.
You can't.
Y'all can.
Prove to me.
believe a
Prove
man
to
is
me.
God.
It's all about money.
You believe
It's
man
all
is
about
God,
money.
man.
Prove.
No,
Prove. Come here. Come here. Prove.
a man
Come
is
here.
God.
Prove. Prove. Come here.
I know.
Let me. Let me.
I'm not the one.
Let's talk
I'm
about
not
the
the
mental
one.
ailment. Please come
He's
here.
not the one. You believe a man is God.
Look, mental ailment.
You
Do
believe
you
a man
know
is God.
what evidence? What evidence is
believe a
there?
man is God.
Please listen. What evidence? Please listen. What evidence is there for the existence of the city of Mecca prior to Islam beginning?
Do you believe a man is God?
There's people in this church.
A human flesh?
What evidence have you got for the existence of
You don't
Mecca
listen if you're not
prior
gonna answer my
to
question.
Islam beginning?
You have to show you can listen also.
I'm going to help you understand that what you're following is a mental ailment.
Okay.
Mental.
You
And the way
believe
I'm
a
going to
man-
help you understand
you
is
believe
by
a man that used the bathroom,
asking you a series
A
of
man
questions.
who ate food.
Hello, Nas.
was God.
Please come here.
Come on.
This gentleman is
Come on,
struggling.
guys.
Please
Let's
come.
use our logic. A man that once ate
Good to see you,
food,
Nas. Please
used
come.
bathroom.
Nas, what
was
evidence?
God.
Once. Nas is a scholar, so he can help us understand. Nas, what evidence have we got for every nation of the world having received an Islamic prophet?
So there's a tendency of monotheism in, like, if you study the world's major religions, there's like an inclination towards monotheism, and the fact that there are other religions that do exist may come about as a result of them. having
Can we talk about particularly evidence? For example, where are you from, Nas? Ethnically, where are you from?
South Asia.
South. I am from India, for example.
Pakistan,
You're from Pakistan. In Pakistan, who was the Islamic prophet who came clearly before the 7th century? Who was it?
So these may have been people like Buddha or people like Rama or Krishna, but then later on, their teachings may have become.
I'm not asking for maybe. Now, if you say this to a Hindu, he'll be terrified. He'll be really upset. So please stay focused. I'm looking for the evidence of an Islamic prophet, someone who you can demonstrate to be an Islamic prophet who came to Pakistan.
I'll think about it. And we'll
No, but you're supposed to be a scholar. Now,
No
you see,
one said I
okay,
was
let me
a
ask you a
scholar,
few
I
other
said
questions. Let me ask you a few other questions. What evidence is there? What is the earliest evidence that we have for an Islamic hijrah from Mecca to Medina?
an Islamic hijrah from Mecca to Medina. So there's a strong oral tradition that there was a hijrah.
Yeah, what is the earliest evidence we have?
So you have like the hadith narrations.
Late centuries later. So nothing early.
These are not centuries later. There's like a couple of 100 years later.
Couple of how many? When you say couple, what number? 200, 300?
Documentary evidence is a lot better than the hijrah for Moses and the Exodus.
No. Stay focused right
like
now. Nas,
a
stay.
century after
No,
the
Nas.
documentation.
Nas. I really want you to stay focused, so you don't distract, please. For an Islamic hijrah from Mecca to Medina, what is the earliest evidence you have? And what you've told me is from centuries after the 7th century. That's the earliest evidence. You don't have anything earlier than that.
We can agree to disagree.
No, but what is the
I'll
earliest
look into
evidence?
it.
No, please. So you show up here at Speaker's Corner. I told you, my dear friends, Islam is a mental ailment. Why is Islam a mental ailment? Because people such as him walk around believing in things for which there exists no evidence. Can you imagine living in a world where you have to believe in things? Hello, my dear, what is your name? Confusement, please. Please come here. Don't look confused, don't look terrified. Please come here. Look, your assistant knows that you're being asked a question. He is smiling. Why are you scared? Is he scared? What's that? He's terrified. He doesn't even want to turn towards me. He must be scared. Why is he scared? Why is he scared, you think? Any reason? Oh, you can't stand the smile. Thoroughly convincing. What's his name? Shameful something. Oh, I can't remember his name. All right, dear friends. I'm hoping that some Islamic apologists such as him, who shows up here with his cameras, would be able to answer some basic questions beginning sometime soon. But what do? Run away scared and send people from zoo like him to stand behind us. This is all that we get.
Saving the world.
You see, this is all that we get.
Saving the world.
Whereas people such as him
Telling lies.
are running away.
I am
Hello, sir, are you Muslim,
saving
sir?
the world.
No, but praise the Lord, that's good.
Lies.
Lovely. Half well done already.
He's not coming back. I am the Messiah.
I can see.
You are liar.
At this rate, you
I
might.
am Messiah. You are liar. I am Messiah.
Sure. 20p. Do you need 20p?
Go to mental hospital.
30p.
You go to mental
30p.
hospital.
How much? 30p for that? How much? All right, dear friends.
Messiah.
Okay, yeah.
I am Messiah.
30p, 50p.
Not bullshit.
No, okay. They pay you more. Okay. I under 5 pounds now. All right, dear friends. Now that we don't have much disturbance, let's go through all the reasons quickly as to why Islam should be banned. Islam should be banned in our nation because Islam is seditious. Islam should be banned from our nation because Islam is violent and hateful towards Jews and Christians. Islam should be banned from our nation because Islam is a terrorist religion. Like the gentleman over there. God knows what terrorism he is preparing for. Islam should be banned because Islam is a genocidal religion. Islam should be banned from our nation because Islam is a big time sustained real estate fraud that has been going on for centuries right now. Islam should be banned because you cannot believe when a Muslim signs a document in our nation, you will never be able to know if the sign is trustworthy or not, because Muslims have been asked deliberately to mislead, sign without batting an eye. Even if the claim is a big time lie, they would come and sign. So Islam needs to be banned because all the signatures that we have of Muslims on perhaps driving licenses, on passport applications, visa applications, and all such important documentation, we cannot trust the veracity of the truthfulness of all the statements made. Why? Because Quran has asked them deliberately to lie. So Islam should be banned. Islam should be banned because it exercises physical and mental coercion at the point of accepting Islam and even at the point of leaving Islam. Can you imagine, my dear friends? You may never want to be a Muslim, yet Islam requires you to handle the Quran in a particular manner, even in our nation. Can you imagine this utter nonsense? You may think that just because you have a book at your home, and because you have paid money to acquire it, you can take it and use it at your will. That's how we treat books, don't we? You can take a book, read a book, put the book on the table, put it somewhere else if you like. But can you imagine, in the UK, we have been forced, not through British law, but through Sharia, unwritten, but enforced even by our police force, to handle the Quran in a particular manner. And when that isn't happening, Muslims come and threaten you with violence, and the police will have to come and apologize. It has happened multiple times in our nation. In other words, Islam exerts very violent physical and mental coercion even towards non-Muslims in our Christian land. Another good reason to ban Islam, to put Islam in the bin forever and say, look, this junk will never ever get any respect that it doesn't deserve. Any respect, because it's entire junk, and therefore it will get only what it deserves from us in our Christian nation. So Islam must be banned. If by any mistake you become a Muslim and you think, oh no, what a lot of nonsense, and if you want to leave Islam, what happens? What is the penalty under Sharia? Unwritten, yet enforced, even in our nation. When you want to leave Islam, death. Death. So another good reason to ban Islam. And people such as Hashim are running away like cowards, because they can't face reality. They run away as cowards week in, week out. I don't know why they show up at Speaker's Corner when they haven't got the courage to stand up to scrutiny.